John, San Diego Specialty Electric and the California Comfort Company. This is called a chandelier. It's a fan, a small fan, inside of what's kind of considered to be a chandelier, so they call it a fandelier. So obviously the number one question we get about these fans is, do they move much air? Obviously they're much smaller in diameter, and the answer is yes and no. They move a lot of air directly underneath the fan. The diameter of the blades is so small, you don't get a lot of surface area coverage. It's not going to move air over a large area, but it will give you significant airflow directly under it. So if it's directly over a chair or a couch, something along those lines, it's nice. It can be very functional. Or in a very small room, it can be very functional. Not functional for larger areas. We have a pretty good selection of these. Come see us in San Diego. We'll make a fan out of you.